Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Cafe. Today's common phrase of the day, is 2 steps forward, 1 step back. This means that progress is being made, but not without some setbacks or difficulties along the way. It's a way of saying that even though there are obstacles or delays, you're still moving forward overall. Here are some example sentences. Learning a new language feels like 2 steps forward, 1 step back, but I'm improving little by little. The project has been difficult. We fix one problem, but another pops up. It's like 2 steps forward, 1 step back. Recovery after surgery takes time. It's definitely a case of 2 steps forward, 1 step back. So this phrase is often used to describe slow or challenging progress in achieving goals, completing tasks, or solving problems. But you're making progress, so keep going. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe to our channel, and we always appreciate you joining us at Easy English Cafe. Bye now.